Lose up to 10 pounds with just 1 tablespoon of this fat-burning drink a day. Every summer, we're all scrambling around trying to figure out how we're going to get rid of those extra pounds we managed to pack on over the cold winter months. Some people plunge headfirst into strict diets. Others hit the gym pretty much every day. But as soon as their willpower starts to fade, all those lost pounds come back with a vengeance. In this video, you'll see how you can slim down in a healthy way, without a whole lot of effort. The secret lies in a drink that not everybody knows about. We'll tell you about this fat-busting beverage and how to prepare it a bit later. But first of all, there are several steps you can take that will help you achieve your goal of losing excess weight much more easily. Remove all the temptations surrounding you. If you have some chips in the cabinet, ice cream somewhere in the freezer, or donuts on your coffee table, chances are that when you get tired or stressed out, you'll head straight to these unhealthy snacks, despite the voice of reason in your head. However, munching on this junk won't make you feel better. Instead, you'll most likely feel ashamed of your lack of self-control. So help yourself out a bit and get rid of them. After all, out of sight, out of mind. Count your steps. Even if you don't have the time or desire to start an active, sporty lifestyle, invest in a pedometer or a more complicated activity tracker. These devices will help you make sure that you're getting in at least 10,000 steps a day. This number might seem unrealistically huge, but even a 10-minute walk will contribute a lot to the mileage on your pedometer. Try to exercise 2 or 3 times a week. It doesn't have to be anything extreme or torturous. Start with swimming, cycling, or jogging. Or choose another activity that won't only train your body, but also please your soul. Be careful with your portions. Start to cut their size down gradually. This shouldn't be too hard since you don't have to exclude your favorite foods. You'll just slowly make your portions about 25% smaller. Serving your food on a small plate will help you trick yourself into believing that you're not eating any less than before. Cut down on liquid calories. If you think that a milkshake isn't really a meal, then you'd be mistaken. Soft drinks, alcohol, and coffee with cream all contain the fewest nutrients but the most calories. If you want to reduce your calorie intake, just replace these drinks with water. You'll be surprised by how much weight you lose just by cutting out these beverages. Always check the nutritional facts on food labels. This way, you'll be able to monitor the number of calories you consume and make sure that the products you buy are healthy and useful to your body. Avoid processed foods. As you can imagine, opt for unprocessed foods instead. The thing is that when you eat whole foods such as fruits and vegetables, you can afford to eat more but gain less. Choose your grain products wisely. When it comes to grains and cereals, go for whole grain. Whole wheat flour, brown rice, and oatmeal are much better alternatives to their not-so-healthy cousins. Just remember to check the nutrition label. Packaged oatmeal, for example, contains a lot of sugar. Now that you've gotten to know some general recommendations, let's get to the heart of the matter. The whole reason we're all here, the mysterious magical drink that you can swallow just a few tablespoons of each day to see the pounds melt off your body. The main ingredient of this drink is cumin, and if you've never heard that this spice can accelerate weight loss, then check this out. Researchers from Iran's Shahid Sadohi University of Medical Sciences divided a group of 88 obese and overweight women into 2 smaller groups. One ate 5 grams of yogurt mixed with 3 grams of cumin powder every day. The other had yogurt but without the cumin. Now, all the women in both groups consumed 500 fewer calories over the course of the study. But after 3 months, the ladies in the first group, with the cumin-laced yogurt, lost 3 pounds more than those who ate plain yogurt. What's even more amazing is that the body fat percentage of the women in the first group decreased 3 times more than that of the second group, 14.6% versus 4.9%, all thanks to the fat-burning spice. Not to mention, the ladies who consumed cumin powder even saw a visible reduction in their waistline. How to prepare the drink? You'll need 1 teaspoon of cumin, the juice of half a lemon, half a teaspoon of grated ginger root, and 1 cup of water. Start by boiling the water and throwing in the ginger and cumin. Keep this mixture on low heat for 5 more minutes. Then take it off the burner and let it cool. Finally, add the lemon juice. You should have 1 tablespoon of this concoction 20 minutes before every meal. And after just a month, this drink will help you lose up to 10 pounds of excess weight. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. How it works. The thing is that each of the ingredients in this drink plays its role in speeding up weight loss. Cumin is full of phytosterols, which comes from plants and sort of resemble cholesterol in their structure and function. But phytosterols don't let bad cholesterol get absorbed into the digestive tract, thus encouraging weight loss. Cumin is also packed with body-cleansing antioxidants. Ginger has thermogenic properties, which means it heats up the body and boosts metabolism. And the faster your metabolism is, the more calories your body burns, even while resting. Lemon, as we all know, contains tons of vitamin C, which, among other things, reduces your cortisol levels. Cortisol is basically the body's stress hormone and causes your body to store fat and feel hungry when you're really not. Lemon is also full of polyphenols, which keep your body from accumulating fat and thus putting on extra pounds. The cumin, lemon, and ginger cocktail isn't just the perfect solution to accelerated weight loss, it also has some more amazing health benefits. Thanks to the cumin and ginger, this drink will improve your digestion. The vitamin C in the lemons and cumin boost the immune system and protects your body from inflammation and stress. Cumin seeds are effective at driving mucus and inflammation out of the respiratory system. This spice is even used to treat asthma. Vitamins C and A in the cumin and lemons reduce oxidative stress. This basically means that they significantly reduce the risk of developing cancer. A substance called cuminaldehyde, which is found in cumin if you couldn't tell, helps control blood sugar levels and reduce hypoglycemia. This drink also does a lot for your brain and cognitive health. Those who regularly consume this concoction almost never suffer from insomnia. Have you ever tried this magical remedy? Do you know any other drinks that can speed up weight loss? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to click subscribe to stay on the bright side of life.